Hello, it's me again, Adzi. Remember me from the How to Measure video? Now, before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your shutters from DIYBlinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 20 to 30 minutes for this installation. And for large shutters, especially those which are off the ground, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean.
Then, scan the QR code on your product box. This will take you to the DIYBlinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page.
If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390.
Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a gap seal applicator gun, a spirit level, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder.
Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you should be fine to start. However, if you're drilling into plaster, you have two options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs or battens are. The second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your shutters to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. Once you're 100% clear, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIYBlinds a call before going any further.
Hello again. Now, as I've said before, I'm a surfing expert, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIYBlinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your shutters. So let's dive right in. First up, just like me in the morning, you need to put your shutter frames together. So, click each section together using the Hoffman keys. If you have T-posts, screw them onto your shutter using the pre-drilled holes. Take your frame and drill holes through the back in line with each hinge. Then drill 2 holes 500mm apart through the back of the frame at the top and the bottom. Make sure they're straight because you don't want gnarly looking holes. Then mount the back of the shutter frame to your window frame. Or if you have a frameless window, mount it directly to the wall. Now grab your drill and the screws provided and drill them in halfway so you can adjust the frame to get it level across the top, and then check it straight with the spirit level. Next, tighten the top screws followed by the side and bottom ones. Now it's time to attach your panels to the frame. Hold the left pane in position, like this. The hinges should line up on the left side of your frame and panel. Take a hinge pin and drop it through the hinge from the top. Sweet! Repeat the same process for each panel. Once completed, now's the best time to check that your panels open and close easily, so you don't have a wipeout later. Make sure there's a thin, even gap between each side of your shutter frame and panels. Finally, grab the stickers in your custom kit and cover each visible screw. Should look swell. Your beautiful shutters should now be installed. But if you ever feel like you're in over your head, just give DIYBlinds a call on 1300 918 390.